Welcome to Flexsteel. Our state-of-the-art factories feature more than 1.5 million square feet of manufacturing space and 1,200 dedicated employees that bring the furniture to life, where quality meets craftsmanship. For over a century, we've been a symbol of durability and reliability in furniture making. Each foundation is built on engineered furniture-grade wood frames and high-density cushions, ensuring each piece is constructed for long-lasting comfort and support. At the heart of our upholstered seating is the patented blue steel spring, a testament to our commitment to providing lifetime support. Crafted from high-carbon steel, each spring is heat-treated for unmatched strength and finished in our signature blue color, promising enduring comfort. With an extensive selection of fabrics, our furniture is designed to complement your lifestyle. Many of them are also life-friendly and easy to clean, an ideal choice for families across every stage of life. At Flexsteel, it's our blend of tradition and innovation that is our trademark. With advancements from computerized fabric cutting to online ordering, we've streamlined our craft without compromising on the quality that's defined us for over a century. Our goal is for each piece to deliver the same level of support and satisfaction through the years as it did at the first touch. We are not just building furniture. We are engineering comfort, resilience, and peace of mind for years to come.